The OEMTOOLS Honda and Acura Crankshaft Damper Holding Tool holds the harmonic damper pulley in place and keeps it from rotating as you tighten or loosen the crankshaft bolt. It has a 50mm design that fits the hex shape of the harmonic balancer on many Honda and Acura models manufactured after 1990. Before you begin, refer to the Vehicle Maintenance Manual for instructions that are specific to your vehicle. Let's get started. Insert the crankshaft holding tool into the female hex of the balancer pulley. Attach a 1/2-inch drive ratchet or breaker bar into the square drive of the tool. While holding the tool securely, use a 19mm socket with a ratchet or breaker bar to remove the crankshaft retaining bolt. Depending on your application, you may need to add an extension for clearance.